Hello, my name is Eldrijan Aguado and this is activity for home monitoring of embedded tree. So in this first part, we have written a series of codes and changed the SSID and the password for our Wi-Fi. And then here for our ThinkSpeak, we have looked for the channel ID and the API key of the right API key here. So that's what we have written here, and then that's it. So we have uploaded, we will upload this one to our ESP8266. Oh, first we have connected the hardware part here, the servo motor, the relay, and the LED. I connected the LED to the pin number D0, and the D1 is connected to the relay and the D2 is connected to the servo motor. So as we can see, it's still compiling. So we will just wait and see for this to compile. This is the output of the first trial that I made. Right? So here, as you can see, it's fluctuating. It's the servo motor uh, chart. This is the servo motor. Let's take servo. And this is for the LED. And this is the relay. Did it upload already? It's still compiling. Let's wait. And this is the comms that from my previous uploads. So as you can see here, it's connected and the channel is updated successfully here in our com for serial monitor. So we can hear the relay opened and it's done uploading. Let's take a look. As you can see, it fluctuated again. So we will have to wait for 10 seconds before the channel will be updated, because that's how much the delay we have put in here. So this is 10 seconds. So it's 2000. So 20,000 milliseconds rather. So as we can see, it's connected now, and we have heard the servo motor move, and the lights of the LED went are open. As you can see here, the LED lights open and close as the servo motor moves. Sorry, it's because of the cable. That's why it's. Yeah, that's it for this chapter. Thank you for watching.